Little Angel Reader. Little Angel Reader. Kitchen Angel. Delicious. Yum, yum.
In today's Kitchen Angel video, I will teach you how to make grandmother's old-fashioned oatmeal cookies. To make these cookies, you will need 2 eggs, 1 package of raisins, 1 small package of vanilla sugar. Lightly beat the eggs. Add raisins and vanilla sugar. Soak for 1 hour. Beat 2 eggs. Wash the raisins. Add vanilla sugar. Soak for 1 hour. Next, cream a little less than a block of margarine, a little more than half a cup of sugar, and a little more than half a cup of brown sugar. Mix well. After they're mixed well, add 1 teaspoon of soda, half a teaspoon of salt, more than a half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1 cup and a half of flour. Mix well, then add 1 cup of oatmeal. I just used 1 cup of oatmeal. The recipe says add walnuts, but I didn't add any walnuts. I didn't use any walnuts because I didn't have them. I used foil paper on the cookie sheet. Using a spoon, I just flattened the cookie dough into small circles. Bake the cookies in the hot oven for 8 or 10 minutes. The edges should be lightly browned for a chewy, yum cookie to not overbake. Enjoy! Ruthie, thank you for the recipe. The cookies are delicious. I love them. I hope you will enjoy this American recipe of grandmother's old-fashioned oatmeal cookies. This morning I had a very delicious breakfast. I had fresh oatmeal cookies with tea. Since I didn't have any raisins, I just mixed 2 eggs, vanilla sugar, half a block of margarine, half a cup of white sugar, half a cup of brown sugar, soda, salt, cinnamon, and flour. And I also added a cup of oatmeal, of course. This is such an easy recipe, and it's a healthy breakfast or a healthy snack. I just love cookies. I have a sweet tooth. How about you? Do you have a sweet tooth? Do you know any interesting and delicious cookie recipes? Will you share them with me in the comments? Thank you. And remember, when you invite a friend to share some tea, what you really share is your heart. And since there were 2 eggs in the recipe, I enjoyed an egg white and egg yolk face masks again while making these cookies. You just need a tiny bit of the egg white for your face. And after washing it off, a little bit of egg yolk for your face mask. Your face will love it. Your skin will love it.
Kitchen Angel. Delicious. Yum, yum.
If you would like to support our channel and family, please feel free to use this link for the PayPal donation.
Whoa.
littleangelreader@gmail.com. Thank you.
Because the sun shines all shine.
Thank you so much for all your help. We really need it right now.